Learn how to make some mandazi. Learn how to make mandazi. This is a good snack to take for tea in the morning, or anytime you feel like you can accompany it with some tea or juice. So we are going to get our bowl. We apply warm water or warm milk. You are going to measure 15 grams of baking powder. We set the baking powder aside. Then after, you're going to apply the baking powder in the hot milk or hot water. Then we are going to whisk until the baking powder develops. We need the baking powder doubled in size. Then after, we are going to measure 150 grams of sugar. Then apply also the sugar. Then we whisk again. Apply the sugar and whisk again. Remember, we are doing mandazi, you are doing creamed mandazi. Then you're going to measure 500 grams of wheat flour. We are going to measure 500 grams of wheat flour. Make sure that you use the right measurements. Then apply the wheat flour here. Apply the wheat flour, then you start kneading. We knead that dough, not too hard. When you see the mixture is running, apply in some little flour until you get the right you get the right mixture. Make sure that it's not too hard and make sure that it is not too soft. We are doing creamed mandazi. If you don't love water, if you don't love milk, apply some water. So you have to give it time. You start kneading, you roll until you see the dough is ready. You have to roll until you see the dough is not sticking into your hand. So you can also try it out. Trust me, you will not regret. So you're going to form into even balls like you form into a chapati shape. Then you roll. Then after every ball, after rolling it, make sure that you get 4 pieces of mandazi. 4 pieces of mandazi. So trust me, you're going to love this. You're going to love this. So you're going to heat the oil. After heating the oil, we are going to deep fry until golden brown. But make sure that you start deep frying on medium heat, because if you use high heat, the mandazi are going to get golden brown when inside they are not They are not ready. So remember, for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and also press the notification bell so that you can get automatic updates about my social media recipes or my YouTube recipes. You can also try it. Remember, the way you see it is the way you can do it, from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi.